in something which may be lost out. When I look around me, my colleagues each representing a party. And as you said, some could be secondary petitions. They each have, under the guideline you give, 4 lawyers each. Very carefully, I did.
And it's only the main parties who have 4 lawyers.
All the petitioners are main parties.
Okay.
All the petitioners are main parties. Say, for example, petition number 1, they have my learned friends, 4 of them. And the same goes for each petition. I don't know why the noise is being generated. I can see a battery of governor. Is each 2-2? Or, huh?
Mr. Ngatia, the other petitioners have 2, not 4.
Oh, very well.
So you really have no reason to complain.
Thank you so much, my lord. Nonetheless, actually, that makes my work much easier. Each has 2, they are 8, 16, or against nullification of 1 person. And then that 1 person, you limit him to 4 lawyers. I appreciate, I'll be the first one to say we are living in difficult times. But surely it will be very difficult for me, and I say this in all fairness, to be able to master a defense against all the 18 lawyers when all we have is a team of 4. Let me say the last thing, Madam Chief Justice, because your fairness is legendary. The total time given my learned friends, all the 8 of them, is 8 hours. I have been allowed 3 hours. I would have requested you, Madam CJ, if there's any way you could, allow me at least half the time that my opponents have, so that I could at least be able to master a defense in relation to petition number 5, the primary, and the proxy ones, the 6 of them. That is all.
My lady, if I may. My lady, if I may have your indulgence for only 1 minute. I noticed that my lady observes that this application was filed out of time, and we admit that that is so. But the reason is that it is not one of the applications contemplated under the rules. Issa Mansour, Esquire, filed his papers on the 26th. We did not expect that there would be another petition filed in the guise of a response, because what the 4 commissioners have done is to file a fresh presidential petition outside the constitutional timelines. We agonized as to what we ought to do in the circumstances, and the only thing open to us was to make the application on the 29th. So we beseech you that if you find that it is out of the normal timeline, you nonetheless grant us an extension of time, because resolving this matter is very fundamental to resolving the petition. It is, my lady, this court that has repeatedly cautioned us that we should never attempt to resolve such a weighty matter as to who is the legitimate president of the Republic of Kenya on the basis of subterfuge. I do pray, therefore, that you consider very seriously, my lady, that application, so that you may guide us accordingly. As regards time, we have another request. We are facing 7 petitions, and all these people are attacking the integrity of our technology, the capacity of our personnel, and above all else, the integrity of the chairman. we would ask for just 1 more hour so that we can meet these 7 petitions that have been allocated 10 hours. Thank you very much, my lady.